Alright guys, so today what we're going to be covering is specifically when using Divi as your WordPress theme or as your WordPress playground. We're going to look at the menu bar specifically in mobile. So if you look at the top right hand corner, you're going to see that you have the three lines, pretty typical menu bar, and when you press it, it immediately jumps to the X. And I mean, it's fine. It gives you the indication that we're going to do something. There's some action that needs to be taken. Press the X, it closes back, and it just immediately flashes back to the menu. I mean, that's all fine and good, but we know, especially with material design and really with the way mobile's designed in general, is that you want some visual appeal. You want it to look a little bit nicer than just a flash from the menu to X. So we're going to cover that today, and we're going to specifically look at Divi and how we can change these and get a way more customization of that menu button. So to do that, we're going to jump into the website real quick and go a little bit more in detail on how you can get the resources that you need to switch that menu button. So jumping in, you're going to open up a web browser and you're going to navigate to elegantthemes.com. Go into their blog, and what's really great is Elegant Themes just recently launched Divi 3.0, and so they did what they called the 100 days of Divi. And every day they came out with some pretty good resources that really help take Divi to the next level. So we're going to search through the blog and go to Hamburger menu and have it pull up this blog post right here. The free Divi header extension provides 20 new hamburger menu styles, and we'll view the full post. Right, and so once this loads up, you're looking at the free Divi header extension with 20 new hamburger menu styles. You slide down, you see all the different menu styles. So when you click on these, it gives you an idea of kind of what it'll look like. And you see they pop more. There's more of an animation. It's much more like visually appealing. And there's a ton of different kinds. See, that's pretty cool. Personally, I like to stick with the first set. I'm not a fan of these. I like the minimal style of this, but I don't think it gives enough visual indication that there's more to click. That's just my personal preference. See, I like this one. It's simple, it's clean, it's quick. So I'm going to say we're going to go with this one right here, T1 Style 5. So what you want to do, scroll all the way through until you get to this link. Press download. We're just going to save it to our desktop for now, Divi 100 hamburger menu, and we're going to download this. So we're going to open up the Finder and go to the desktop. You see Divi hamburger menu. So now in here, all of your assets, everything's in here. So style, JavaScript, and then the previews, right? So we're going to jump into a WordPress backend, and what you want to do is go to plugins. We're going to add a new plugin. And this is one of the rare resources that Elegant Themes put out for the Divi 100 days of Divi that actually gets installed as a plugin. And so we're going to take the zip file and select open. So it's going to attach here, and then we're going to go press install now. Now as it's going through the installation, you're going to see it unpacks the package. Install was successful. And we're going to press activate so that this can actually be used. It's going to take you right back to the plugin page. Now here you're going to scroll down and see the Divi 100. It's a brand new section. So when you click here, click on Divi 100, it brings you to a customized section. So we're going to select the type was 1, and then I like style number 5. And you can set the default color, and you can also set the active color. So I'm going to put both of them on black and press save. And that's all there is to it. So we're going to pull up the example back on the web browser for the mobile and show you exactly how this looks. All right, so looking back at the mobile version, we're going to go ahead and refresh this page. That way we can load up all the changes that were made in the back end. So we're back, and we're going to press the menu button to see if everything worked out the way we planned. So you see that nice, smooth, crisp animation. It's just a lot more pleasing to the eye than what it was before. So I'm a huge fan of this. I think Elegant Themes did a badass job. I really like what they did as far as supporting the community and give them some hype for Divi 3.0, which honestly I use the back end more than I do the front end editor, if you know anything about Divi or Elegant Themes in general. But amazing job from the entire Elegant Themes team. Hope you guys will check out the page. Would definitely love for you to add me on Snapchat at Keegan Lanier. If any of my writings seem of interest, love for you to check them out and get your feedback. I'm also looking for guest bloggers. If you want to tell your story, I'd love to hear it. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If there's anything I could have done to make this more entertaining or more insightful, I'd appreciate your feedback below. It's always appreciated. And feel free, connect with me everywhere. I'm at Keegan Lanier on pretty much any social media platform that you can think of. So follow me, friend me, tweet me, snap me, whatever it is that you spend your time in. I'd love to get to know you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.